Ayun, sana
Wala pa
pag
ako
napanood mo
ngayon.
to, ayun.
May wish ko pa kay Kelsey, sana malinis siya sa katawan. Saka
Huwag kang magtatago sa tao. Huwag kang ma-introvert.
Lagi kang magtututbrush.
Don't wait another minute. The sky's open. There's no limit.
Hi, Kelsey! Ito yung christening day mo ngayon. So, we're happy na, ayan, na-introduce na namin si God. And then, ito yung memorable kasi nag-gather lahat ng mga relatives and family.
This is what we're waiting for. So let's get away and we can go out, chase the feeling. This could be a new beginning. This is what we're waiting for.
Hi Kelsey, happy christening. I hope and pray that you become and you grow up to be a God-fearing, beautiful child. And whatever you need, whatever I can do for you, I'll be here for you.
Happy christening, Kelsey! Wishing you good health and be respectful to your parents. And more kikay to come!
This is what we're waiting for. So let's get away and we can go out, chase the feeling. This could be a new beginning. This is what we're
Alam ko, di mo pa naiintindihan to, pero paglaki mo, sana gusto ko maging mabait kang bata na magalang at hindi suplada. Gusto ko magaling kang sumayaw. Gusto ko marunong kang kumanta para entertain mo kami. Basta nandito lang kami lagi sa'yo. Susuportahan ka namin sa lahat ng mga gusto mong gawin. So I love you so much, bebe.
This is what we're waiting for.
Masasabi nyo sa kabilang group.
We can go out, chase the feeling. This could be a new beginning. This is what we're waiting for.
Happy christening sa aking mahal na hapon na si Baby Kelsey. Sana lumaki kang mabait na bata, pero ngayon pa lang talagang siya, nakakagiliw.
Mahal ka namin. Ikaw yung baby na hindi namin expect, na talagang biglang dumating ka na lang. At finally, it's a girl, kaya we're so very happy na. So, ayun, Kelsey, we love you so much, and happy christening!
Waiting for.